What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Yeah. So, what are we talking about today? We are talking about the best camera for landscape photography. Not just the top 5, but the best. Stick around. It's going to be a good one. Whoosh. Alright guys, before we jump into the video, if you could please jump down there, hit that subscribe button, just yeah, went a little too hard on that. Instead, maybe throw a hockey puck at it, because you know, Canada. Also, while you're down there, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. What? I know, right? Yeah. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and a whole bunch of other social media platforms, including my website. Links are in the description below. Oh my god. Too much coffee today. Woo! So let's jump into this. Yeah? You guys ready? Let's go! So what is the best camera? Everyone who follows Canon is going to obviously say Canon, whether it be the R5, R6, it could be the 1DX Mark II. Then we got Nikon guys over here saying, nope, the Z850 or the Z6 II or the Z7 II. And then we got Sony over here saying, no, it's going to be A7 III, A6100. A7R3. And then we got Fuji over here saying, no, you guys, no. It's the X-T3 or the X-T4 or the X-T30. My point is there is a whole buffet of cameras that you guys can choose from. I'm just going to level with you guys. Cold hard truth. There is no best camera for landscape photography. As long as the camera can shoot RAW, that's it. That's all you need. It doesn't matter if it's a DSLR, a mirrorless, full frame APS-C. If your camera can shoot RAW, that's it. Doesn't matter the brand. Maybe you guys like Canon. Maybe you guys like Nikon. Maybe you guys like Sony. Maybe you guys like Fuji. Maybe you like Pentax. Nobody likes Pentax. Yeah, I went there. Anyways, it does not matter what type of camera you have. It doesn't matter the brand name. It really doesn't. That's the cold hard truth. As long as your camera can shoot RAW, that's it. Especially for landscape photography. There's a whole bunch of reasons why you should shoot RAW in the first place. But the biggest factor in that is white balance. And I explained all of that in a recent video upload called White Balance. You guys can check it out. I'll link it up in the description, or link it up here and in the description below. But in a nutshell, white balance when shooting in RAW, you can change it in post. You can change it. You want it cooler, you want it warmer. When you shoot in RAW, your white balance, it doesn't matter what white balance you use. So shoot in RAW. I should probably name this video Shoot Raw. I've been preaching this ever since I started this channel. So if you got anything from this video, let me know in the comments below, whether you loved it, hate it, agree with me, disagree with me. Let's have a conversation about this. Also, while you're down there, maybe hit that subscribe button. Just smash it. Smash it. Hit it. Throw a hockey puck at it. Also, while you're down there, if you would be so kind to hit that like button, share button, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and a whole bunch of other social media platforms, and my website, Links are in the description below. Yeah. All right, guys. Hopefully I didn't ruffle too many feathers. Even if I did, like I said, join the conversation down below. What do you think? So, stay safe out there, guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.